your trusted residential and renovation partner. At KT Custom Builds, we boast over 40 years of combined experience in the construction industry. Our team takes pride in serving Tomball, Texas, and the surrounding areas with expertise in renovation, construction, remodeling, patio covers and pergolas, flooring, cabinets, and countertops. Why do our customers continue to choose us? Because selecting us ensures quality results and competitive prices. We are the experts you want and need by your side. To learn more about who we are and what we offer, visit our website at www.ktcustombuilds.com or call us today at 832-732-4791 for free estimates. Experience the KT Custom Builds difference.